Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Fort listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This is also a test of the same system for a specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m., unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Tide forecast. At Venice Inlet, high tide Wednesday at 1:10 p.m. Low tide Wednesday at 5:51 p.m.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, your 24-hour voice of the National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system, or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, WWG 59, the voice of the National Weather Service. 5 p.m. A Florida amber alert has been issued for Terry Reed, a white male, 4 years old, 3 feet 1 inch tall, 39. Blonde hair and bright eyes, last seen in the area of the 4,100 North Motorola, Florida, who was last seen wearing a blue
It's already on.
gray shoes. The child may be in the company of Hannah George, a white female, 5 feet 4 inches tall, 115 pounds, blonde hair and hazel eyes, and Matthew Layton, a white male, 6 feet tall, 180 pounds, brown hair and green eyes. Matthew has a short beard. They may be traveling in a 2010 red Toyota Camry, Florida tag number LBE01. The vehicle has visible damage to passenger side door. If located, do not approach. Contact law enforcement immediately. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Tampa Police Department at 8
It's out of Tampa.
3231613 or 911 pound Flimber.
Georgia Emergency Management and Homeland Security Agency. This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system. Oh, I'm going to keep going.